Good morning students, God bless you. Welcome to maths class. In this class, we are going to see about the exercise 2.1 seventh sum. This is for applications of arc length and area of the sector and central angle of the sector. Okay, the seventh question. A circle of radius 120 meter is divided into 8 equal sector. Find the length of the arc of each of the sector. This is your question. The solution. Form one circle. Okay. This is for circle. Let us consider the radius. The question is a circle of radius 120 meter. Okay. Then divide into 8 equal sector. This is the circle divide into 8 equal sector. So now this is 2 equal sector. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sector. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal sector. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal sector. In this slide, we are making the sector. Then find the length of the arc of each sector. So if you consider this is the one of the sector means this is the one of the sector. So what is the arc length? This is your question. What is the arc length of this one? This is your question. Question is find the length of the arc of each of the sector. Not only this arc. So what is this? So every arc length are equal. Okay, here the solution given r is equal to 120 meter, and when we find the L value, in case you have theta and radius, you directly find out the arc length L. Okay, now we want to find the angle. Okay, so central angle of the each sector. What is the formula? 360 degree divided by n. Is it or not? This is already known. So n represents the number of sectors. Here number of sector 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here n is equal to 8. So 360 degree divided by 8. Okay, making the cancellation. This is 1 8s are 8. This is a 4 8s are 32. Okay, carry 4. Then 5 8s are 40. So now we get 45. That is theta is equal to 45. This is 45. This is 45. This is every one angle is 45 degree. Okay, now we get r and theta. Okay, so the question is find the find the length of the arc of each of the sector. So L value. So arc length. L is equal to the formula theta divided by 360 degree into 2 pi r units. This is your formula when the theta is given. Okay, so L is equal to theta value 45 degree divided by 360 degree. Okay, into 2 into pi value 22 by 7, or here so pi don't need to use because no value given in the question. So pi into r is equal to 120 degree. This is given in your question. Okay, so pi value given only, use the pi value. So otherwise, so don't use the pi value 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay, so L is equal to, making the cancellation, this is 1 times of 120, this is 3 times of 120, 360. Is it or not? Okay, this is 1 3s are 3, so 15 3s are 45. Okay, the 15 into, this is for 2 into, this is pi. So L is equal to 15 2s are 30 pi. the unit is here meter. So this is the answer. Therefore, the length of the arc is 30 pi meter. Therefore, the length of the arc of the each sector is 30 pi meter. That's all. This is your answer. Have you understood? Okay, this is your 7th question. Here not be given directly the theta and r. So first find the theta value, then using the formula we get the answer. Okay, it's a logical thinking. Okay, dear students, then 8th question. A circle of radius 70 centimeter is divided into 5 equal sectors. Find the area of each of the sector. So now on to the area of the sector. The solution. So now consider the circle. This is the circle. Then the radius, a circle of radius 70 centimeter. Okay. Then it's divided into 5 equal parts. Okay, this is 1. Okay. This is for 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now here draw the, okay, so in this like you made it, because equal, all are equal, so the gaps also want to draw the equal size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is fully 5. Okay, so just you consider. Okay, this is the 5 equal parts of the sector. Find the area of each of the sector. Okay, so area of the sector formula given. Theta is don't know, then r is equal to 70 centimeter. So find the value of theta. Central angle of each sector equal to 360 degree divided by n. Here n is equal to 5 because 5 equal parts. So replacing here 360 divided by 5 using the cancellation, this is 7 5s are 35, carry 1, 2 5s are 10. So now we get theta is equal to 72 degree. So theta and r is get, then find the area of each sectors. Okay, the area. Therefore, the area of the each sector equal to theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square units. Okay, this is your formula. So theta value 72 degree divided by 360 into pi not be given in this question. So pi into r square. The value of r is a 70 centimeter. So 70. Okay. So making the cancellation, the zeros are cancelled. Then this is 1 times of 36, 2 times of 36, 72. Okay. The remaining numbers are 2. So not only the r value is 70 into 70. 70 into 70 because r square 70 into 70. The remaining numbers are 2 pi into 7 into 70. 7 7s are 49, then 10. Okay, don't miss it any value because r square represent the 2 times of a value. Okay, so the 2 into this value, 2 zeros are 0, 2 9s are 18, carry 1, and 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Then this is the pi. Then the square unit is your formula. The unit is centimeter, so centimeter square. That's all your answer. Have you understood? Okay, dear student, next 9th question. Tamu fixes a square tiles of 30 centimeter on the floor. The tile has the sector design. The tile is in the shape of sector. On its, as shown in the figure, this is the given figure. Find the area of the sector. Find the area of the sector. Here pi is equal to 3.14. So here pi value given. So want to substitute the phi. 3.14. Okay. The solution. Tamu fixes a square tile of 30 centimeter on the floor. The square size is 30 centimeter. Okay. So this is the radius of the sector. This is one of the radius. So this is the sector shape. This is the radius of the sector. Is it or not? The side of the square equal to radius of the sector. Side of the square equal to radius of the sector. Okay. That is R is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay. Then you know the property of square. Okay. Every and each angle of square is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 90. This is 90 degree. So all angles are 90 degree. Each angle of square is 90 degree. So the angle of the sector, this is the sector. So angle of the sector is 90 degree. So theta is equal to 90 degree from the diagram. Okay. Have you understood the angle of value? Okay. Theta is equal to 90 degree. Now R and theta is get. What is your question? Find the area of the sector. Okay. Find the area of the sector. Area of the sector equal to, when theta given, theta and R given, the formula is theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square units. Okay, this is the area of the sector formula. Okay, so it is equal to theta is 90 degree divided by 360 degree into pi here 3.14. This is already given. Into R is 30 centimeter. So 30 into 30 because R square. Okay. So using the cancellation, this is 0, 0 are cancel. 1 9s are 9. This is 4 9s are 36. The first value is 1 by 4. Then into 3.14 into 3 3s are 9. Then 0, 0, 900. That is 30 30s are 900. We understood the simplification. Then making the cancellation once again. This is 1 4s are 4. This is 2 4s are 8. Carry 1. Once again 2 4s are 8. Carry 2. 5 4s are 20. That means 225 times of 4, 900. Okay. The remaining terms are 3.14 into 225 is equal to, multiplying these two value using the ordinary multiplication. Okay. First write the numbers, then find out the answer after you making the decimal. Okay. 5 4s are 20. Carry 2. 2 4s are 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. Then 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Then 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. Then 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. And 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. And 2 3s are 6. Then sum of the value 0, 5, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. Carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. Carry 1. And 1 plus 6 is 7. So now we get 70650. But here the number gets 2 decimal places, 1 2. So making the decimal 1 2. Okay, that's all. The formula has the square units. The units are centimeter. So centimeter square. That's all your answer. This is the answer of question. Find the area of the sector. The area of the sector is 706.5 centimeter square. Okay, that's all. Okay, dear students, next 10th question. A circle is formed with 8 equal granite stones as shown in the given figure. Okay, this is the given figure. This is a granite shape of each one. The radius is 56 centimeter and whose central angle is 45 degree. The central angle is 45 degree. The radius is 56 centimeter. Okay. Find the area of each of the granite stones. So what is the area of each of the granite stones? Okay. So this is your question. The solution given radius r is equal to 56 centimeter and theta is equal to 45 degree. This is your given question. Okay. Question is find the area of each of the granite stone. The each granite stone in the shape of sector. Okay. So therefore area of the sector, area of the each sector is equal to theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square units. That's all. And theta is equal to 45 degree divided by 360 degree into pi is equal to 22 by 7. This is already given in your sum. Okay, 22 by 7 into r is equal to 56 centimeter. So 56 into 56. Okay, this is equal to, this is 1 times of value. This is 8 times of 1 times of 45, 45, 8 times of 45, 360. So you have to check 45 into 8. Okay, 8 5s are 40, carry 4, 4 8s are 32, plus 4, 36. Okay, is it or not? Okay. Then using the canceller, 1 7s are 7, 8 7s are 56. Okay, remaining numbers want to write 1 by 8 into 22 into 8 into 56. This is your remaining numbers. So 8 are cancelled. Remaining 22 into 56. Multiplying these two numbers 22 to 56. Okay, 6 2s are 12, carry 1, 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13. And 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. So 2, 3, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 1. So 1232. Okay, then the square units, the unit is centimeter. So centimeter square. Therefore, the area of the granite stones. Therefore, the area of each of the granite stones is 1232 centimeter square. That's all your answer. Have you understood? Okay. Today's homework book page number 57, examples 2.3 and 2.4. Using the formula and solve the sum. Okay, thank you. God bless you.